How to restore Snapchat streak. In this video, I will guide you on how to restore Snapchat streak. The first thing you want to do is launch open Snapchat on your device, log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. From here, tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Now scroll down a bit. You will find the support and feedback section. Here, tap on I've lost my Snap streak. Here it says that streaks show that you're staying close to your friends. Snap each other once a day and your streak will grow. Now, if you have lost your Snapchat streak and you want to restore it, tap on the How do I restore my streak option. Now, if you have recently lost your streak, you can restore it with one free streak restore option or with an in-app purchase from the chat feed or your conversation. So you can use the one free streak restore option. If you don't have that anymore, you can start a new streak with your friend by sending a snap back and forth to each other every day within 24 hours or 3 or more consecutive days. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.